Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting and fun-filled DIY tutorial. Today, I've got a super simple and super effective recipe for you that will leave your hands feeling rejuvenated and silky smooth. We're going to make a DIY lemon sugar hand scrub. Trust me, your hands are going to thank you for this one. This scrub is perfect for exfoliating and moisturizing your skin, leaving it soft and glowing. First up, let's talk ingredients. You don't need a lot, just a few simple items you probably already have in your kitchen. You'll need just 3 things: half a cup of white or brown sugar, which acts as the exfoliant to slough off dead skin cells, the juice of 1 lemon, which is great for brightening and refreshing your skin, and a tablespoon of olive oil, which will deeply moisturize and nourish your hands. That's it. Simple, right? All right, let's get mixing. This is the fun part, where everything comes together. Grab a bowl and pour in your sugar. The sugar is the base of our scrub and will help to exfoliate your skin. Now, squeeze in the juice from 1 lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which are great for your skin. Make sure to catch any seeds. We don't want those in our scrub. You can use a small strainer or your hand to catch them. Removing the seeds ensures a smooth texture for our scrub. Finally, add that tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making it perfect for moisturizing and protecting your skin. Give it all a good mix until it's well combined. You want the mixture to be evenly distributed so that each scoop has the perfect balance of ingredients. Now, here's where the magic happens. Take a small amount of the scrub and gently massage it onto your hands. Personally, I prefer brown sugar, but whether white or brown sugar, they are both effective. Spend a few minutes really working it in. This helps to ensure that the sugar exfoliates and the lemon juice and olive oil penetrate your skin. The more you massage, the better the results. Focus on areas that feel rough or dry. The sugar will exfoliate those dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. The lemon juice will brighten your skin, giving it a healthy glow and helping to even out skin tone. And the olive oil will leave your hands super moisturized, soft, and supple. Once you've given your hands a good scrub, rinse them thoroughly with warm water. Make sure to wash off all the sugar and lemon juice. You'll already start to feel the difference. Your hands will feel smoother and look brighter. But wait, there's one more step. To really lock in that moisture, apply a thick hand cream right after. This will help to seal in the benefits of the scrub and keep your hands hydrated for longer. Your hands are going to feel soft, smooth, and absolutely amazing. You'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and appearance of your skin. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy DIY lemon sugar hand scrub that you can whip up anytime your hands need a little TLC, either white or brown sugar. This scrub is perfect for a little self-care session or as a thoughtful homemade gift for friends and family. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback and any variations you might try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching.